tell me that this doesn't look like a jar of milk fresh from the farmer's market, except it's fresh from your kitchen, ready to be devoured by you. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make vanilla oat milk. And I thought of this because, you know, we're on lockdown and groceries are becoming more scarce. I thought that a good substitute to buying like dairy milk or store-bought milk would be to make it yourself. And I know what you're thinking, making milk seems hard. I thought so too until I actually tried it. It's pretty simple and not super duper hard to do. And I think, I just thought of this because it might be easier for you to make like oat milk or almond milk or, you know, cashew milk than it would be to go out to the store and buy store produced milk. So now that the intro is out of the way, let's talk about what you're gonna need. So here we have some Quaker oats. Duh, we're making oat milk, so you need Quaker oats. Like, this is a pretty common thing for a lot of people to have. If you don't have this, you can also use almonds for almond milk and cashews for cashew milk. I'm pretty sure it's kind of the same sequence of steps. Next, you're gonna need a blender. Make sure it's a blender that's able to grind things up really well. Next, you're gonna need a strainer. I know that this strainer is pretty big, but it works really good. Here I have a glass bowl, and you don't need this, but I would recommend it to strain it in a bowl like this. And then after I do that, I have the milk in here, and then I get the container that I want my milk to be in, and I strain the liquid in here into that container one more time. You're also gonna need a measuring cup. For flavors, I am using vanilla. Other flavors, because this is kind of where you get to customize it, you can use maple syrup, agave, you can even use honey. Some people put in vanilla, some people put nutmeg. You know, you could do whatever you want your milk to taste like. You're also gonna need 4 cups of water. So I have 1 cup. I've measured out 1 cup of oats. I'm gonna put this in a bowl, just like that, so. And then I'm gonna put water in it and I'm gonna soak it for 30 minutes, okay? As you can see, they're in water, and now I'm just gonna set a 30-minute timer and wait. You won't have to wait 30 minutes because, you know, movie magic. So it's been about 30 minutes, so let's get this show on the road. These are my oats. They've been soaking for 30 minutes, and now I'm going to drain them of the water that was in there, rinse them one more time, drain them, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna put it in a blender and we're gonna do the whole shebang, okay? So I'll see you in like a minute or two. Here's my blender. I'm going to be putting the oats in the blender. Ooh. Okay, now that our oats are in there, we're gonna add 1.5 spoons of vanilla. I think the recipe that I read called for only 1, but I do a little bit more, you know, just keeping it real sweet. And now that we've done the vanilla, we're gonna add 4 cups of water. That's just what we're gonna do. This is the first 2 cups, okay? And the next 2 cups. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna put everything in there because I don't want my thing to like explode with like so much liquid. And so now we're gonna blend it up all together. One super duper crucial part, the sweet spot of blending your oat milk is 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Don't go over 45 seconds because I hear that if you do, the oat milk becomes more slimy, and that's not, no one wants slimy milk. I just take my phone and I go on stopwatch and I just make sure that I don't exceed 45 seconds. I think 35 seconds is the sweet spot. So the straining part's probably the most complicated. As as you can see, you get a lot of product just from 1 cup of oats. So that's really great. Look at that, and look at that, you made oat milk. Congratulations. Look at how much you get from just 1 cup of oats. It's awesome. So now that we're done straining the first round, we're gonna strain it again for the second time. Strain it into the actual jar that it's going to be in, okay? I just use a mason jar. You can use really anything else. I know it looks a little sticky, that's because there was wrapper on it. I like took this from something else. And so we've already used this side, so now I'm gonna try to do this on the other side. Might need to ask for help. Oh, important thing. This will probably last you about 5 days, so it's really, really important for you to get some tape and write down today's date. And just to stick it on here so that you're aware of like maybe when you should stop drinking it. It's April 15th, that's why that's there, because that's the date that I made it. Duh. And then you can just close the cap and boom, you have your little oat milk. It's so beautiful and it really looks like milk, does it not? You can't tell me that this doesn't look like a jar of milk. Fresh from the farmer's market, except it's fresh from your kitchen, ready to be devoured by you. Okay, and I know I have some extra here, but I'm actually gonna drink that like right now. So I guess you're getting 2 tutorials. So this is just my tall, cute little cup. I put ice in it. And ladies and gentlemen, this is my iced vanilla oat milk latte. Delicious. Okay, my sister is gonna try the oat milk by itself. She told me to put it in a shot glass for her. Hey, Barcelona! Viva la Barcelona! Sorry. My sister, she doesn't want to be seen on camera. That's okay, we respect that. But she's going to be taking a shot of the oat milk by itself. And let me tell you something. My sister is not like, she's not gonna be nice to like spare my feelings. She's gonna tell me how it is, okay? And honestly speaking, she's like the one person that doesn't really like to veganize things. So if she likes this, it's good, okay?
It's a watery.
Oh yeah, there's water.
No duh. It's alright. I like it.
Okay,
Oh,
rating.
vanilla.
Huh?
Vanilla?
You taste it?
The vanilla's on 10.
Oh, is that like a good thing or a bad thing?
Yeah, it adds flavor because it's so watery.
Okay, so rate it from 1 to 10.
1 to 10. I give it like a solid 8.
An 8 out of 10?
Yeah, it wasn't that bad.
You heard it here first. The harshest
You should
critic
put
in the
cinnamon.
house. Put cinnamon?
Yeah.
I don't know how to do that though because we don't. Oh, we do have the powder. I thought that we only had the sticks for a second.
Are you serious?
Whoops.
Are you serious?
Whoops. So, one more question. Would you drink it again?
I think I'd drink it with like pancakes or like coffee.
Wait, what do you mean by like put it in the pancake batter or?
No, you know like how sometimes you eat like pancakes.
Oh, and a glass of milk.
yeah.
So you would drink it by itself?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You heard it here, guys. This is an 8 out of 10 from a non-vegan, from a harsh critic, from someone who takes their milk seriously. I'm happy. It was a success. I hope that you can try this recipe out. And if you do, let me know. My social media will be down below. I would love to see it. Yeah, and I hope that this just kind of eases your mind a little bit. Hopefully will help you worry about less things. Stay safe, stay healthy, make sure to wash your hands, and you know, get creative. I'll see you when I see you.